Hello, happy new year. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let me quickly show you guys how I prepared this delicious potato roast. You're gonna love it. It is so delicious. So welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Victoria. Relax, enjoy, and I know you're gonna love it here. To all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, let's get started. Here I have freshly bought sweet potato. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and peel the back off. So I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all my subscribers that made 2023 worthwhile. You guys are the best. Thank you so much and God bless you. And I'm so hopeful that this year, 2024, will bring us God's favor, goodness, good health, and all good things entirely. So, guys, as you've seen, I'm just slicing this up. And after that, I'll go ahead and wash this potato. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed and you're still watching up till now, that shows that you are loving this content. Whilst you're still watching, could you please do me a favor? Click on the subscription button, click on the like button, turn on your bell notification so that anytime I upload a video, you will get notified. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you. So guys, as you've noticed, I poured water into the bowl to wash this potato thoroughly. And after that, I'll go ahead and add a little bit of salt and wash it the second time. This is to make sure that any dirt in there is totally eradicated. We don't want to cook dirt, right? So it's all freshly washed. Now I'm going to go ahead to season up this potato. Here I have basil and I'm going to go in with oregano, and you can use any spice that you have available in your kitchen. And then after that, I will add a little bit of olive oil that will help to combine all the spices together. And here we have chili. This is chili pepper. Okay, I'm just going to add a little bit, and after that I will toss this together properly to combine. Now that has been thoroughly mixed, I'm going to set that aside and then bring out a baking tray and baking paper. Then I will pour the potato in the tray and pop the potato into the oven to bake for 20 minutes at 160 degree. And that will be it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed watching this recipe. Do leave me a like, comment in the comment section, share this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed wherever you are and keep walking by faith. Bye. See you later.